Hello, my name is Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here's your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold. I'll start with ICE Brent crude oil futures. An indecisive spinning top yesterday after last Friday's attempted key reversal down. Once again, though it was tested, we saw the market being supported, oddly enough, by the short moving average, currently at 91.15. Interestingly, the top side was capped by the declining short-medium moving average, and that's currently at 93.74, and perhaps also the neckline, currently 93.51 of the October to November 2021 head and shoulders top. And not that interesting head and shoulders top, but one that has made its force felt some distance from whence it was created. There is one, maybe two other patterns I'd like to discuss. You see, we have two possible bear channels in operation. They both have the same lower bear channel line, currently at 80.28, originating from early August. But the two upper bear channel lines, one from the March high, currently at 107.46, and the other from the end of July, currently at 97.32, well, they could be either one. Right now, I'm minded to look at the more recent end of July to date one as possibly having more relevance. And so far today, well, not that much. An open just under the lesser Fibonacci line at 92.07, and another big dip down towards the short moving average, but then a pullback in between the two, and looking like a slightly larger than yesterday, still indecisive spinning top again. Spot gold. An interesting pattern yesterday, an inverted hammer. Now, I've had an in-person discussion about inverted hammer patterns with other technical analysts as recently as late last month, and it's fair to say this pattern is viewed by many controversially. You see, traditionally an inverted hammer is seen as a bullish reversal pattern. However, some 6 to 7 times out of 10, the pattern acts as a bearish continuation pattern. This is what our discussion had been about. The question now is whether this particular inverted hammer will follow tradition or the data. The action yesterday was also interesting as the market both opened and closed below the middle time, currently 16.50.30 of the June to August bearish shift pitchfork. And I'm curious to see if this will have an impact on the days to come. Overall, we are still within the two bearish shift pitchforks. The first one, the June to August pitchfork, I've already pointed out, but the market is also within the breached, possibly broken, early March to mid-April bearish shift pitchfork. In this one, the market is in between the middle time below, currently at 16.11.90, and the upper time above, currently 16.83.20. These two bearish pitchforks are the core drivers of this market. Finally, this brings me once again to something I've been talking about now for months. You see, there is an argument for the December 2021 today action being a possible really big head and shoulders top pattern. We've already reached the primary target where the interesting March 2021 low is. However, we still have a harder to achieve secondary target down in the 1560 area, well below the bottom of my daily chart. Now you may be wondering, those seem a little small to be targets for such a move down. Well, I can explain that. You see, I used the April high at 1998 in my calculation rather than the more extreme March high at 2070. I would rather err in caution than fail in excess. So far today, an open on the middle time and a move back up, but it has been limited, held down by the late September congestion at 1660 and 1663, which is not that, is recent and not that great, but anyway, today right now is looking like a bullish harami. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.